Welcome everyone. So in your first task of Java Day 1 module, you are asked to create a Java class named JavaComponents that prints the full form of each of the following, such as JDK, JRE, and JVM. We need to print the full form of every single one of those Java components. So in this task, we are going to work on it under this package Java Day 01 practice tasks, which is under the project Java Self Practice. So make sure create the class Java components under this package. And in order to make this class runnable, after creating the class, in order to make this class runnable, you are going to need main method. So before that, make sure that you include some additional spaces between opening and closing curly brace of this class, right? And the shortcut for main method is you type main and hit the enter key. So this is our main method. Now the class is runnable. I do have the run option. All right, next step, I need to display every single one of those Java components, the full form of every single one of those Java components. So I want to display them on 3 separate lines. So therefore, I will need 3 separate print statements. So in my first print statement, I can display JDK, right? And I need to display the full form of JDK. So let me give column. So whatever you give within the double quote, that message will be displayed on the console. See, now it displayed JDK. And next, I need to give the full form right after this space, right? So the full form of JDK is Java Development Kit. Okay, make sure you run it to make sure that it's giving you what you expected. All right, so first one is displayed, and next is the JRE. So I still need to display some message in the second print statement. Therefore, I will give the double quotes again because I want to display a string of text. And I want to start it with JRE column, right? That's exactly what I wanted to print on the console first. Make sure that it's giving you what you wanted to print. And then you can give the full form of JRE, which is Java Runtime Environment. And if I run the program, you see I ended up getting Java Runtime Environment. And lastly, we need to print the full form of JVM. So I will need another print statement for that. So that's why I created this print statement here. And I will display JVM, which is Java Virtual Machine. And if I run the program now, I will end up getting Java Virtual Machine. And remember, Java always executes the codes from top to bottom. So if you misplaced any of those print statements, then this is not the order of the output that you will be getting. For example, what if I place this JVM right after this JDK? So if this is the print statement that I gave in the main method, that means first it is going to display JDK, then JVM, then the JRE. So if you want to display those in the same exact order, JDK first, then JRE, and lastly JVM, then make sure that the print statements, you give them in the right order. And if you run the program now, you see, this is exactly what we expected.